Hi there! Today, I'm going to tell you a story about one of the hardest working and most important creatures in nature, bees. This is the story of Bella the bee and how she and her bee friends are like superheroes for the garden. Let's buzz right in. Bella is a busy little bee who lives in a hive with thousands of her sisters. Every day, she flies from flower to flower, collecting nectar and pollen. But Bella isn't just collecting food for her hive. She's also doing something incredibly important for the whole world. First, Bella is a master pollinator. When she lands on a flower to drink nectar, tiny bits of pollen stick to her fuzzy body. Then, when she flies to the next flower, some of that pollen rubs off. This might not sound like a big deal, but it's how plants make fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Without bees like Bella, many of the foods we love, like apples, strawberries, and even chocolate, wouldn't exist. Bella is like a tiny delivery service for plants, helping them grow and produce food for everyone. Now, here's something really cool. Bella is also a team player. Bees like her live in big families called colonies, and they all work together to keep their hive running smoothly. Some bees build the hive, some take care of the baby bees, and others, like Bella, go out to collect food. It's like a buzzing city where everyone has a job to do. And guess what? Bees even talk to each other by doing a special dance called the waggle dance to show where the best flowers are. How cool is that? But wait, there's more. Bella is also a builder. Bees like her make their own homes out of wax, which they produce from their bodies. They create perfect little hexagon-shaped rooms called honeycombs to store honey and raise their young. It's like they're tiny architects, building one of the most efficient homes in nature. And here's the sweetest part. Bella is a food maker. The nectar she collects gets turned into honey, which is not only delicious, but also full of energy. Bees store honey to eat during the winter, when there aren't many flowers around. And guess what? Humans love honey too. It's like Bella and her friends are sharing their hard work with us. So, you see, Bella the bee and her friends might be small, but they do big things for the world. They pollinate plants, work as a team, build amazing homes, and make delicious honey. Without bees like Bella, our gardens, farms, and even our plates would look very different. Next time you see a bee buzzing around, don't be scared. Remember, they're tiny superheroes doing important work. And who knows, maybe you'll even spot Bella, the hardest working bee in the garden.